Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're making easy vegan Subway style cookies, so let's go. First of all, add in your melted vegan butter, then sift in about 115 grams of plain white granulated sugar. Now add in your brown sugar, and you want to mix that all together, either using a wooden spoon or a spatula or even a whisk if you'd like, and just keep on stirring it. Onto your plain flour, add in some salt and some bicarbonate of soda. And stir it together. A tablespoon of your egg substitute. I'm using apple cider vinegar. You could also use applesauce or even just an egg replacer of any kind. There are so many. You could use lemon, for example, just whatever you have to hand. And then you're going to sieve through your dry ingredients like so. Time to add in the filling, so I added some chocolate chunks and I added in some vegan smarties. These are the ones from Doisy and Dame. I believe that's how you pronounce the name, but I'm not sure. And then you just want to stir that all together, and you can always add more of your filling, and you can add any filling you want. And also add your vanilla extract, and then also add in a pinch of maple syrup. I also added in a little bit more flour and then put them onto a tray and added some more chocolate shavings to the top. Also you can leave these in the fridge for a little bit, but I decided not to because there was no space. But this is what they look like before they go in, and then I'll show you them after. And this is what they look like after they've been in the oven. The full recipe will be in the description, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Bye!